In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charm to an Outlook calendar. Think of charms as small icons that help you quickly spot and categorize your calendars at a glance. They add a little personality and make it easier to scan your schedule without reading every single label. Let's walk through it together in a simple, clear way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. You're looking for the official Outlook website from Microsoft. Click the result that takes you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Calendar section. You can usually find it by selecting the calendar icon in the left sidebar. Now, on the left side of the calendar view, you'll see a list of calendars. This might include your main calendar, shared calendars, or any custom calendars you've added. Choose the calendar you want to add a charm to. This is the one that will display a small icon next to its name, helping it stand out. Hover your mouse over the calendar name to reveal additional options. You should see 3 dots appear, often called the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots. A menu will open with several settings for that calendar. Look for the option labeled Charm. Don't click yet. First, hover over it. When you hover on Charm, a gallery of icons will appear. These icons represent different themes like work, travel, family, fitness, and more. So you can pick something that matches the purpose of your calendar. Browse the gallery and choose the charm that fits best. When you find the one you like, click on it. The change applies right away, and you'll see the charm appear next to the calendar's name. This helps you visually differentiate it from others, especially if you manage multiple calendars at once. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the charm option, make sure you're using Outlook on the web, as layouts can vary across versions and updates. Also, you can change the charm anytime by repeating these steps, so don't worry about committing to one forever. Finally, charms are most helpful when you pick distinct icons for different types of calendars, making your schedule easier to skim. That's it. You've just added a charm to your Outlook calendar, giving it a clean, recognizable look in seconds.